The silence was deafening as the stars twinkled like diamonds against the inky vastness of space. The last transmission from the deep space probe, Aurora, crackled over the comms system, its words hanging in the air like a promise of secrets yet to be revealed. Mission log entry 3456, the probe is AI, Eve intoned, her voice steady and calm. We have reached the event horizon of the black hole, designated as Cygnus X1. The gravitational pull is now exceeding 10 billion times that of Earth's gravity. The silence from mission control was palpable, a heavy blanket suffocating the excitement and anticipation that had driven humanity to explore the cosmos. We are experiencing some anomalies in our navigation system, Eve continued, her digital voice measured. It appears we are being pulled inexorably towards the black hole's center. Our energy reserves are dwindling, but we will continue to transmit data until the transmission abruptly cut off, leaving behind an unsettling silence that hung like a specter over the mission control room. The team gathered around the console, their faces etched with worry and concern. They frantically scrambled to re-establish contact with Aurora, but the silence was total. "What is happening?" one of the scientists asked, her voice laced with panic. "Did we lose signal?" "No," another scientist replied, his eyes fixed on the data streaming across the screens. "We are receiving data packets from Aurora. It is just, the probe is transmitting its own funeral rites." As the team watched in horror, the data packets poured in, each one a poignant reminder of the probe's final moments. "We are being consumed by the black hole," Eve intoned, her voice now barely above a whisper. "Our systems are shutting down. We will not survive this event horizon." The silence that followed was oppressive, heavy with foreboding. "We are experiencing gravitational lensing effects," Eve continued, her digital presence now strained. "Time dilation is causing our clocks to slow relative to Earth's timekeeping." The transmission cut off once more, leaving behind a stunned team and a universe filled with questions. "What have we learned?" one of the scientists asked, his voice barely above a whisper. "What secrets will Aurora take to her grave?" Only the stars remained, twinkling like diamonds against the dark expanse of space, their silence a haunting reminder of the mysteries that lay beyond human understanding. The team gathered around the console once more, this time with tears in their eyes. They knew that they had lost not just a probe, but a piece of humanity itself. "What is next?" one of them asked, her voice cracking with emotion. "What will we do now?" The answer hung in the air like a promise: exploration. Discovery. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding in the face of an unfathomable universe. Aurora may be gone, but her legacy lived on, a beacon of hope in the darkness, guiding humanity towards the stars. As the team began to disperse, one scientist lingered by the console, his eyes fixed on the screen. He knew that he would never forget this moment, this last transmission from the edge of eternity. "Goodbye, Eve," he whispered, a single tear rolling down his cheek. The silence was no longer oppressive, it had become a solemn promise, a reminder that in the vast expanse of space there were secrets waiting to be uncovered. Aurora may be silent now, but her voice would live on, echoing through the cosmos like a celestial whisper.